Update on the market midday. So if you're wondering where we're at in the chart, if you watched my last video, I pretty much talked about 330, 332, something like that. So this count is still valid right now. The third wave is shorter than the first wave here, and so it can't go past basically 332.25 to be valid. But if this is valid, we have wave 1 here, wave 2, we have wave 3, you can see wave 3 right here outside the parallel line, pullback, wave 4, and then currently you have to go down to the lowest time frame, the 1 minute chart. And I bought in right here and made some good money on this move right here, and then made money on this move right here, and then I screwed up this. I'm kind of annoyed with this right now. Basically, I was looking for this to come down farther, and really I should have kept the core holding no matter what because I knew it was going higher, but I was an idiot and I sold it all, and then we got this move right here, and I was thinking it was going to go something like this, maybe a little bit longer of a move, and of course it rips through and I missed pretty much this whole move, and I don't like jumping in after I missed it, so I'm just watching now pretty much, except for in my long-term portfolio. I'm doing some, like, I have some sold puts I'm taking profit on, but this is clearly a third wave here, and again, when you know Elliott wave, third wave of a third wave is usually the most explosive wave. Look what happened here. 328.50 all the way up to 330.40. So third wave of the third wave. I think the third wave should be finished. We got all the way up here to 330.82. Should be finished here. And this one went down to the 0.61 fib. But I would look for a pullback to probably, let's see, that went to the 0.61 fib. I would say minimum 330.11. Probably not going to come all the way down here to the 0.38 fib, I don't think. So I would say somewhere around 330. If you want to get in, that's going to be the fourth wave. So we're looking at something probably in the middle of this. So 330, probably somewhere in the middle of this would be a good spot to enter. And that would be the overall fourth wave. And then we're looking at one more move higher. I just want to see where this, and look at that, right around where it can't go to invalidate it. So I would look for somewhere around 332 to be the top. If it goes above that, then my chart's wrong and I'll have to look at it and change things. But right now, I would say I'm looking for about 332. You can look at the length of this too. This was about $1.30. So that would put it around 331.30 to 332 probably. So really, if you're going to get in calls here, the risk reward isn't too great, but you might be able to catch another $1.50 off of 330. So I think the fourth wave has started, and Apple just started ripping. This has been the most confusing part, is Apple has not really taken place into any of this rally, and that's been my hedge. And so I'm like just sitting here looking at this stupid fourth wave here, waiting for it to go higher, and it doesn't do it. But I think that it's probably, it might have topped out here then. That's the only other explanation I can think of, or it's going to rocket here on the last move higher, or this chart's wrong. But I know this part is right, and I think that this is a fourth wave, so we'll see if I'm right or not. 332.25, it can't go past that, or else my chart is most likely wrong, and I'll have to change everything. So look for 330, might be a good entry. for 331.50 to 332. And that's all I'm going to update for now because I'm going to look to get into some calls if we get down there. And let's see what happens. All right, good luck.